Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about square of a binomial. So this maths is intended to grade 7 students. So I have here sum and then difference. So if sum, the sign are all positive. If difference, alternate positive, negative, positive. So I will give you why there is 1 and then 2 and 1 based on the Pascal's triangle. 1, the basis will be 1 and then it should be diagonal always 1. So this is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2 and then 1. So this is now power of 2. This is power of 1 and then the basic is 1. So I have here a plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So I have the coefficient numerical. So this will be 1 and then this will be 2 and then 1. So the difference between 1 and 2, only the sign. So I will give you an example for this. 1 for the positive and 1 for the negative. So number 1. So I have 7 x cubed y squared over z plus square root of 2 squared. Okay? So this will be 1, 2, and then 1. These are the numerical coefficients. First term, second term. So first term will be decreasing. So it should be 7 x cubed y squared over z. So this will be to the power of 2. This will be 2. And then the second term, square root of 2 raised to 0. So take note, the second term will be increasing, first term will be decreasing. Since positive, this is 1, understood, there is 1. And then positive, positive, because this is positive, so all our signs are positive. So this will be plus. The numerical coefficient is 2. Then the first term will be 7x cubed y squared over z raised to power of 1. And then this will be increasing, square root of 2 raised to 1 power. Then plus 1, so there is 1 in here, so this will be 7x cubed y squared over z raised to 0 power, and then this will be increasing, this is 1, next will be raised to power of 2. So this will be 49, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4, then over y squared. Then this will be a variable or a number raised to 0 that will be equal to 1. Then plus, so this will be 14 x cubed, this will be y squared over z times square root of 2. Then this will be plus, this will be 1 times square root squared, that will be equal to 2. So this will be 49 x to the 6, y to the 4th, z squared. Then plus 14 x cubed y squared over z times square root of 2, or we can write this one as square root of 2 because we cannot multiply because this is square root. Then plus 1 times 2 is 2. So this is my final answer for number 1. Now let's proceed to number 2. Difference. Okay, number 2, I have here, the first term is x cubed y squared over 13, and then the second term is z. So since this is difference or subtraction, so the sign must be alternate, positive, negative, positive. And we know that from Pascal's triangle, we have the numerical coefficients of the terms will be 1, followed by 2, and then 1. Okay, so to simplify this one, this will be 1. So understood, there is 1 in here. So x cubed y squared over 13 squared. Okay? And then the second term will be 0. There is 1 in here, take note, there is 1 and then minus because alternate. So the numerical coefficient is 2. This one will be x cubed y squared over 13 raised to the power of 1, and then increasing this one. Z will be increasing. This is 1 also, invisible 1. And then plus 1 in here, and then the first term will be x cubed y squared over 13 raised to the 0 power, and then this will be increasing. So this will be z squared. Okay? So take note, raised to the second power. So this will be multiply the power. So 3 times 2 is 6. Y 4. Take note, 13 squared means 169. Z0 will be 1. Okay, so this will be minus 2 over 13. Then x cubed y squared z. Then plus raised to the 0, that will be 1 times z squared. Okay, so this will be multiply. So this will be x6 y to the 4th over 169. Then this will be minus 2 over 13 x cubed y squared z. Then this one simplifies, z squared times 1 is z squared. Okay, to get the final answer for number 2, I need to find the LCD between 169, 13, and there is 1 in here. So this will be, the LCD is 169. So 169 divided by 169, that will be 1 times the numerator, that will be x to the 6, y to the 4th. I will make clear for the y. So y to the 4th, and then this will be 169 divided by 13, that will be 13. 13 times 2 is 26. X cubed y squared, and then this will be z. Then the last will be plus 169 divided by 1, that will be 169 z squared. That's all for number 2.